Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do, since this is only 6 products, I'm going to take my concealer, my NARS All Day, my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer, and just conceal under my eyes, mustache area, and then any spots that you don't like. So any dark spots, just, I like concealing the whole, okay. Any dark spots, under eye area, good, 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 great. Then I take my NARS Natural Radiant. Just take one pump on the back of my hand, a little tiny pump. My nails are broken again, as always. And then just put a few dots on my cheeks and stuff. My chin, my mouth area. And take my damp beauty blender and just blend everything in. I don't even know if this takes me 5 minutes. The blending is what takes the longest. And on camera, it might look a little light, but this is literally the perfect color for me, both of these. It's just the brightness. But once it, really, Augie? Augie, can you please move? Thank you. I'm trying to film. I keep looking that way because my mirror's over there. Make sure. So like, this is a very light layer of makeup for me. Just do the under eye. Okay, blend all that in. Then literally, if you see anything that's like still irritating, you just take your concealer and go over it. Just make sure it dries down. Okay. Perfect. Then I go back with my beauty blender. I'll just make sure there's no crease there. And take a translucent powder and set under my eyes. Just a little bit, like, might even be too much. And I like push it in there so that nothing can like look creasy or dry or anything. Also, if you have like oily skin, just set your oily places. Like this is a, which one is this? I forgot what this is. What? Covergirl powder. Yeah, this is Covergirl, so it's like super cheap. Has a little color. Okay. Now all that's done, I take my Bobbi Brown highlighter. Ooh, it's kind of dirty. And I go in with my beauty blender and I just rub my beauty blender in there and then just, woo, you see that? Woo. Dab it on my face. Just wherever I want some highlight. If I want to tone it down, just take the other side of the beauty blender and rub it in. But it's summertime, so look at that. You don't see it straight on, but boom. Then another one. Honestly, this only takes me 5 minutes, but because I'm recording it, I feel like it's taking me a lot longer. And this is what I do when I don't want to really wear makeup. And then just a little on the nose, maybe above the mouth. And if you want to look like you have some shiny lids, just put some on your lids, girl. There's that. 2 steps left. Mascara. This is my Chanel Imitable Intense. I put this on my lashes. Bottom lashes. All right, and then if you don't, because I don't do my brows every day, just put some mascara on them to bring them alive, bring them to life. My brows are a little sparse there, but don't really care. All right, last step. Lip gloss, well, lip oil. It's empty. Oh man, it's like empty. This is my Clarins Lip Oil in Raspberry. And that's it. Nice and easy. My hair's sticking up in the back. It's okay. It's nice and easy. And literally took me 9 minutes. Would have taken less. Nice and quick and easy, especially for summer. You have like nothing on. And yeah, quick video as I did my makeup for the day.